Ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Almost. I am almost ready. I am almost ready. Already. I already did that. I already did that. Altogether. I don't altogether agree with you. I don't altogether agree with you. Currently. He is currently not living here. He is currently not living here. Definitely. I should definitely go. I should definitely go. Deliberately. Are you deliberately trying to hurt me? Are you deliberately trying to hurt me? Else. No one else knows it. No one else knows it. Ever. Don't ever say that. Don't ever say that. Exactly. Do exactly as I tell you. Do exactly as I tell you. Extremely. I am extremely hungry. I am extremely hungry. Fairly. I am fairly sure it will work. I am fairly sure it will work. Finally. I finally got a job. I finally got a job. Fully. I am fully aware of that. I am fully aware of that. Generally. I generally don't make mistakes. I generally don't make mistakes. Hardly. I hardly watch TV. I hardly watch TV. Highly. He is highly intelligent. He is highly intelligent. Honestly. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. Immediately. I need it immediately. I need it immediately. Stop that immediately. Stop that immediately. Likely. It is likely to rain again. It is likely to rain again. Mostly. Success depends mostly on effort. Success depends mostly on effort. Normally. I don't normally lie. I don't normally lie. Primarily. Baseball is primarily a summer game. Baseball is primarily a summer game. Properly. It's still not working properly. It's still not working properly. Quickly. We need to do this quickly. We need to do this quickly. Rarely. I very rarely eat meat. I very rarely eat meat. Rather. I would rather stay here. I would rather stay here. Recently. I recently met an old friend. I recently met an old friend. Relatively. She speaks relatively fast. She speaks relatively fast. Seriously. Don't take it seriously. Don't take it seriously. Slowly. I have to walk slowly. I have to walk slowly. Soon. I will call back soon. I will call back soon. Strongly. I strongly advise you to use this. I strongly advise you to use this. Thus. Bend from the west, thus. Bend from the west, thus. Ultimately. Who is ultimately responsible for this? Who is ultimately responsible for this? Widely. Tea is widely grown in India. Tea is widely grown in India. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.